Hi! In this tutorial I show you how to draw tree silhouette without any reference. Very easy and quick method. Draw 3 different rectangles. It will be 3 crowns. Choose rectangle tool and draw. Select all and fill black. No stroke. Choose Direct Selection tool. Click and drag anchor points to create your favorite shape. Click and drag. Click and drag. Now draw some tree trunks. Pick Rectangle tool again and draw 3 rectangles. Choose Direct Selection tool and click and drag anchor points. Now we add some awesome effect. Select 3 crowns, go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and choose Roughen. Click Preview and points Smooth. Set size as 5 and detail 3 inches. Then click OK. If you don't like the effect, you can move anchor points. Use Direct Selection tool and click and move. You can also add some new points. Go to Pen tool, click and hold. Select Add Anchor Points tool and add some new points. Now Direct Selection tool, click New Points and move. Just click and drag to find your best look. This is nice. Select all, go to Object, Expand Appearance. Now group every tree, select, right-click your mouse and click Group. It's finished. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like a video. If you like my work, you can support me via PayPal. You can find link in comment.